what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm at the Cheesecake Factory. For its lavish and delicious cheesecakes, it's yummy food. I love their barbecue pizza and the Alfredo cheese pasta. के अलावा मैंने और कुछ try नहीं करा है. And I've tried this in Mall of Emirates before as well, and I've also tried it in Toronto in Canada. So this time I'll be trying something new. I am sure I will pakka try something new. I'll also order a creamy milkshake, which will be, I hope, tasty, because many people told me that it's tasty. And of course, please stay till the end of the video so I can show you the Oreo Dream Extreme cheesecake. Dream Extreme. Stay tuned.
Hours later.
So guys, my food is finally here, and I ordered a Diet Coke because obviously the dieting वाला खाना खा रही हूँ तो Diet Coke कहीं तो fat घटाऊँ. And also they have like refills. मैं कितनी बार भी इससे refill करा सकती हूँ. It's for 15 dirhams. Thank you so much. Then there is barbecue chicken pizza जो मेरा all time favorite है, और मैंने बोला था मैं कुछ और try करूँगी, but I just love it and I didn't want to miss it because India में you hardly get a good barbecue chicken pizza. And then this I'm trying it for the first time. So this is a chicken burger. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yup. So it has a fried chicken patty inside. It has a lot of chipotle and cheese slice on top. Then it's also served with some chipotle, and yeah, they call it a sandwich because according to them, only beef, if the burger has beef, it's called a burger or a hamburger, or else it's called a sandwich if it has chicken in it. So it's quite confusing, but yeah, you'll get the hang of it. Then I also ordered some, you get complimentary fries, or if you want a salad on the side, with salad. Salad. Shakal se lag raha hai salad. No salad. So I ordered, yes. So I ordered the sweet potato fries. ये मैं कनाडा में बहुत खाती थी. Please India, please ये start कर दो. It's so yum. Too good. So let's try on the food. Now as you all know, मुझे बहुत मिर्ची वाला खाना पसंद है. I love spicy food. तो So this is the yummy barbecue chicken pizza. So let's try it out. So obviously I know I should try it with fork and knife, but please, yeah, this is pizza. This is love, and so goddamn delicious. So as you can see, it's a barbecue chicken pizza. So actually the sauce is actually barbecue and not the tomato and basil one which we get regularly. It's topped with chicken and it's so yummy. It has a bit of sweetness, but I love it, and it's the taste of the original barbecue, so I really loved it. And of course I topped it with Tabasco to give that spicy kick. So yeah. Now we'll try on the burger. It's a fried chicken. The chicken is so juicy and it's so delicious. Like, you can't miss this if you're a chicken lover. The rest they only have beef and I don't eat beef. But this is so tasty. The buns are actually also, very fresh and it tastes so good. But the chicken, oh my god, the fried chicken is so good. Like I can have it without the buns. It's so good. And of course, the sweet potato fries, जैसे in India में actually ये मिलते हैं, पर उसे बोलते हैं शकरकंदी, जो ऐसी नहीं होती, पर वो sweet potato से बनती है. Telling you a bit about the prices. So this one is for around 70 dirhams. And this one is for 65 dirhams. I'll convert it and put it in the description below. कि कितना हो गया total. 1 dirham is equal to 19 rupees presently. So you can just do the math please. Then this was 15 dirhams. And now, let me have my food please. So guys, the star of the show, the Oreo Dream Extreme Cheesecake is here, and I'm not making up the name. It's actually the name of the pastry. It's not a pastry, it's a cake. It's a full cake, and I bet you guys you can't have the whole thing alone, but I can because I'm really zest, yaar. So this costs around 35 dirhams. And yeah, one more thing. जैसे हम डोमिनोज से अगर पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करते हैं तो हमको पता होता है कि जितने का पिज़्ज़ा है उतना हमें टैक्सेस और डिलीवरी वगैरह वगैरह देना है. तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. इफ इट्स फॉर 35 dirhams, इट इज़ फॉर 35 dirhams. आपको कोई टैक्स नहीं देना होता क्योंकि दुबई में कोई टैक्स नहीं देना होता. सो गुड. तो नाउ लेट्स हैव इट. इट्स सो प्रिटी. मुझे इसे तोड़ने का मन बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा. ओह गॉड. मुझे बाइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं हुई, वो मेरे मुंह में लिटरली मेल्ट हो गया. आई हैव नेवर हैड अ डेजर्ट बेटर देन दिस. एंड इफ़ यू आर हियर एंड इफ़ यू डिडंट ट्राई दिस, तुम लोग पता नहीं क्या हो, मतलब पता नहीं, तुम अपनी अपनी चॉइस होती है. पर मेरा ये फेवरेट है. आई ट्राइड द हर्शीज वन एंड आई ट्राइड द रेगुलर raspberry cheesecake, which is just a cheesecake with the top of, and on top there's a raspberry. Then I've also tried Linda's dark chocolate cheesecake, which is also nice. Then Godiva, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा ज़्यादा. I love Godiva chocolates, but the cheesecake didn't do justice to the name. But this one, I'm not a very big fan of Oreos, but if you are, and even if you're not, what's this? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I loved making it. And as for some tips on how to order at the Cheesecake Factory, so मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं अलग अलग चीज़ें ट्राई करूँ. Even though I have some staple favorites of mine, और मैंने काफ़ी विजिट्स के बाद अपने फेवरेट्स आपको बताए हैं आज वीडियो में. ये Cheesecake Factory is in the mall of Emirates in Dubai. It's right next to the Virgin Megastore or the Ski Dubai. So yeah, you can come here anytime. And if you got lucky, you can get a seat right next to the Ski Dubai, so you can see all the Ski Dubai as well. And yeah, that's all for today. My total bill came around 195 dirhams, which is fine for the food and the vibe and the service that I got. So yeah, so right now my favorite and the very very hype place is the Cheesecake Factory, and I really loved it. Also, some people, if you are not interested in having the food, or if your budget is a little low, क्योंकि मेरा तो ज़्यादा होता ही है budget low, so you can try the cheesecakes, just the cheesecakes, because the texture is so good, it's so creamy, it's so melts in mouth that you will definitely not regret it. And for 35 dirhams, I think it's perfect. And you have a wide range of variety for it. So yes, do come and order that. Also with this, it's a wrap from Dubai. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye. And so goddamn delicious. So it doesn't have that normal wala tomato and so it doesn't have that tomato base, as you can see. So it doesn't have that tomato and basil pasta sauce. So it doesn't have tomato and basil pizza base. मुझे क्या हो गया? So as you can see, it's a barbecue chicken pizza. So actually the base acts
2,000 years later.
The sauce is actually barbecue and not the tomato and basil one which we get regularly. कैमरा बंद करो, मुझे खाने दें.